Hello, I'm Thomas Cummins from UCD School of Agriculture and Food Science. We teach an online module called Soil Resources, which several teachers have taken to satisfy the requirements of the Teaching Council for teaching the soil science component of agricultural science Leaving Cert. We've put together some videos here that we hope might be useful. They're from our own soil science teaching, and they cover a couple of the topics on the Leaving Cert agricultural science course.
To begin with, take approximately a teaspoonful of soil, just enough to form a ball of about 2 centimeters in diameter. Make sure to remove any coarse particles such as stones or roots before continuing. Water is added to the soil, which is then manipulated intensively in the hands. Using the thumb of one hand and the palm of the other is an effective technique. This is done to break down the soil structures. Manipulating the soil in this manner causes it to stick to your hands. Water is added until the soil mass is at the moisture content of maximum cohesiveness. At this moisture content, the soil should stick better to itself than to your hands. Your hands should therefore become relatively cleaner. The first test is to roll the soil into a ball between your palms as shown. Using the texture triangle chart, we can eliminate certain texture types based on the results of our tests. The next step is to roll the ball into a worm if possible. Having successfully formed the worm, another texture type may be eliminated. Taking the worm, we now attempt to make a ring. The unsuccessful attempt to make the ring narrows the range of texture classes possible. Attempt to form a ribbon between thumb and forefinger of one hand. It is important to note how long you can extend the unsupported ribbon before it breaks under its own weight. These 4 tests indicate that the soil texture is sandy loam, loam, silt loam or silt. After adding water, the soil is felt between the thumb and forefinger. A predominantly gritty feel would mean the texture class would begin with sandy. Conversely, a slippery feel would mean the texture class would begin with silt or silty. As the soil was gritty, but not predominantly, it was judged to be a loam.
We hope you found some of this useful. If you want to get in touch, you can email me thomas.cummins@ucd.ie and look out for UCD School of Agriculture and Food Science on social media.